In the Random Access file this week, some new products are being announced for the new Macintoshes. Farallon Computing has introduced Disk Paper, a software program designed to simplify document distribution between networked Macs, regardless of the type of Mac on the network. Disk Paper creates multiple representations of any document and then sends the appropriate image needed by the receiving computer. Disk Paper is priced at $150. It will be released later this year. A new Canadian company called AView Technology has come up with an add-in board that will let PCs display television images. The board allows PCs equipped with multi-sync monitors to toggle back and forth between a full-screen video display and a full-screen computer display. The card only allows viewing of the video images. Since the signal is not digitized, it cannot be frame-grabbed or displayed in a window. If you subscribe to the caller identification feature offered by your phone company, Rochelle Communications has a product for you. It's called Caller ID Plus, and it links your PC to your phone service using both hardware and software. The hardware identifies the telephone number of the person calling, while the RAM resident software program pops up a DBase 3-file record on the caller, including a call history file and a note editor. Caller ID Plus can also keep track of unanswered calls. Turning to this week's top 10 software titles on the Macintosh, Mac Connection reports that Berkeley Systems After Dark is number 1, followed by Symantec SAM. Number 3 is Adobe Type Manager 2.0, with Fulbright coming in 4th. In 5th place is Quicken for the Mac. Rounding out the top 10 are Microsoft Word, Pyro by 5th generation, Excel, Peter Norton's Mac Utilities, and Disk Doubler from Salient. Systems Compatibility Incorporated has created a pop-up data transfer utility called Outside In. The program provides direct data transfer from over 50 different file formats. You can scan your hard disk, import all or part of a file, and use it either in its original format or match it to a new file format. Time now for Paul Schindler in this week's Software Review.
In real life, there is usually more than one solution, but sometimes it's hard to see. That's where Flexigraphs comes in, a Macintosh graphics package for playing what-if games. You can directly manipulate graphics, then let the program produce the underlying numbers in spreadsheet format. This is a visual and interesting way of approaching a difficult business task. You can have standard, clunky Mac dialog boxes or graphical ones. You can lock a wedge. You can change the total size of the pie. If you don't like pies, you can change the color or patterns, or use line charts or bar charts. In case you think you may want to get back to where you started, you make a ghost marker of your original position, and when you're done, voila, there's a spreadsheet underneath. It's easily exportable to any other spreadsheet. You can draw free-form graphics, and the program will create a spreadsheet, which you can in turn manipulate. You want 21% more? You can get it. This is the ultimate tool for what-ifing. Flexigraphs is $150 from TreeStar Incorporated in Santa Barbara, California. For the Computer Chronicles, I'm Paul Schindler.
For the millions of flight simulator enthusiasts, Microsoft has released a new scenery and aircraft design program. PC pilots can now fly over their own houses or towns using the Scenery Designer, and you can choose from an expanded fleet of aircraft using the Aircraft Designer, including the state-of-the-art Boeing 747-400. Finally, the Lima Datacom Security Corporation proved its point again this year. It offered a free round-the-world trip to any hacker who could break through its computer security system to retrieve a hidden message. More than 2,000 would-be hackers took the challenge, but no one succeeded. The secret message read, quote, "The persistent hunter who wins his prize sooner or later becomes the hunted." That's it for this week's Computer Chronicles. I'm Kate McGargy.
The Computer Chronicles is made possible in part by the Software Publishers Association, which reminds you it's a federal offense to copy software. The SPA provides information on how to stay software legal. Funding is also provided by PC Connection and Mac Connection, and by Byte Magazine and Bix.